Hello students, today we are talking about cultural materialism. Before explaining the class, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So cultural materialism basically means how wealth influence culture. This idea strongly opposes the thinking that culture of working class is inferior. Cultural materialist argues that what is considered lower culture by the dominant ruling people are actually that culture can transform and influence the whole society, whole culture of a society. This is the precise meaning of cultural materialism. Cultural materialism developed as a subject of study in the mid of 1980s through the works of Jonathan Dollimore and Alan Senfield. Their work, Political Shakespeare, is a collection of essays on religion, ideology and power in the dramas of Shakespeare, and this work provided a reading based on political commitment. And through this work, Political Shakespeare, Alan Senfield and Dollimore made a parallel interpretations of the power structures during that time. Simply, this means they analyzed how the Elizabethan Queen influenced the works of Shakespeare. This book provided an alternative reading against the age-old traditional viewpoints on Shakespearean dramas. They analyzed how the power structures of Elizabethan period, like the monarchy of that period, influenced dramas of Shakespeare. So we can say that cultural materialism is fundamentally Marxist ideology, and it's fundamentally based on political commitment. It has many inclinations toward politics. Cultural materialism is fundamentally a Marxist ideology. The term culture does not here means high art. This strongly opposes the idea that culture of working class is inferior. It includes all form. According to cultural materialist thinkers, culture includes all forms of culture, high and what is considered low, like popular art, fiction and television. The basic meaning of this cultural materialism is that they are arguing that the culture of working class is also a great one, and it can influence the whole society. In the work Notes Towards the Definition of Culture, even T.S. Eliot is giving a clear definition for what is culture, as culture is as that which makes life worth living. It includes all the characteristics, activities of people. So this simply means that culture has another meaning, that is it includes all the activities, beliefs and everything which is related to the everyday life of common people. This is the basic meaning of culture given by cultural materialist and T.S. Eliot. Cultural materialism is a Marxist ideology according to which culture can never go beyond material forces. This means culture or the making of culture is highly based and influenced by money and the products we are buying through that. Culture is highly based on money and things of production. The main argument of this idea is that the culture of working classes is never taken into consideration in elite or high class criticism of literature. This is the main point for cultural materialism, is that the literary works made from the culture of common people are not considered properly in the evaluation of literature. The culture of common people are considered as lower or inferior by the elite class. All cultural works, whether it's film, video, poetry, novel or dance, or drama or dance, whatever it is, all these things highly influence people. And what is considered low by the dominant culture actually produce works which highly affect and change the whole culture of society. This means what is produced out of the culture of common man or a working people can also highly affect or influence the society. Raymond Williams coined the term. Actually, Raymond Williams coined the word cultural materialism. His another concept is structure of feelings, which refers to the strong system of beliefs or strong beliefs and values felt by people which experienced in their daily life. This is called structure of feelings. That is the strong beliefs and values felt and experienced by common people in their daily life. And Williams says that this belief system of common man can strongly influence both culture and literature in every society. And these beliefs are sometimes against the dominant aristocratic ideologies which exist in any society. So we can say that sometimes this culture of working people stood against the culture of dominant elite people. Sometimes this also happens. Cultural materialist says that culture is not a fixed entity, it is a changing one. So it is a process. Culture actually is not a static or a fixed one. Day by day it is changing, and many factors influence these changes in our culture, like race, gender, socio-economic factors, ethnicity, sexual differences, etc., etc. All this and the economic disparities in a society also influence the making of culture. All these factors strongly influence the cultural making process. So we can say that it may change day by day. So it's and this cultural materialism is a political. It's basically based on the politics of a country. So we can sum up that cultural materialism is completely political, and this questions the dominant forces and this supports the oppressed groups. It convicts or it claims that this materialism can resist and transform dominant power structures. And second thing is this cultural materialism is basically is based on Marxism and feminist ideologies, and this is connected mostly with the popular forms of art and culture. Uh, this is the summing up of the idea that is cultural materialism, and through this one, theoreticians are trying to find out the hidden agendas or hidden ideologies in every work of art, and they are also trying to find out the oppressed classes through analyzing all the old and new works. So this is a summing up of this is a small meaning of cultural materialism. Thank you.